Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and today the luxury of diesel BMW mapping. So we're going to do a stock power run, see what she's doing. We're going to plug in, do some diagnostics, have a look at some codes if it's got any, and then crack on, do a bit of tuning, and hopefully we'll get some torque out of this boy. It is a 118D, so we'll see how we get on. Big fans out at the front of it, keep it nice and cool. Let's do this. Okay, so that's another one completed. And yes, we had a little bit more smoke, but not excessive, but we made a staggering amount of power. As you can see from this graph just here, in at 134, leave it on 172, 55 wheel horsepower, and that is going to be felt in a smaller BMW. So for sure, with the torque figure increase and the brake horsepower, this is going to be a much better car to drive. Hopefully he enjoys it. It's I do quite like the 118D, especially once we've mapped it. So there we go, another one in the bag. If you want your BMW, Mercedes, or any of the VAG Group diesels tuning, give us a shout. We'll definitely help you out. We're in Nuneaton, so yeah, pop down, say hello, and let's get it mapped. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. I'm going to get tidied away. I'll see you on the next one.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.